Hi friends, this is Yashika signing in from Quantum of Happiness. So today I'm going to share 5 mantras to reach your money ladder. Are you ready? Let's start. Friends, I have been talking about this topic and I really want you to get aware of the power of subconscious, as I always say in every video. And if you are watching this video, chances are that you already know about the power of your mind, or you are keen to involve in this power. So today, as promised, I'm going to talk about money ladder, how you can grow your money, how you can get to your growth, how you can multiply your growth. So I'm going to share 5 growth hacks with you today. Before we start, let me ask you a simple question. How much money did you earn in the last year? You don't have to type the answer, just keep it in your mind. So my next question to you is, do you believe that you can create this amount in a single month? If you have created 50,000, 1 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore or 5 crore in the last year in 2017, do you believe that you can create this amount in a single month? Whatever your answer is, it will reflect the beliefs you are carrying in your subconscious and in your mind. And you must be aware that our subconscious is ruling our lives. It's ruling our routine, it's ruling our habits, behaviors, work, job, career, how much money we are making, how much passively, how much eagerly we are living a day. Everything's decided and done by our subconscious. Similarly, the belief patterns we have created in our lives, these have been formed since childhood. So most of the people in the world try very hard to reach to the top step of this growth ladder. But do you know how many people reach at the top ladder? A very meager percentage, might be 10% or so. So what makes the difference between those 90% and those 10%? Do you think the 90% people don't have the resources with them? Do you think they don't have the capabilities? If you ask me, my answer will be the little 10% of the world population is having a very strong belief, unconditional belief in themselves that yes, they can attain the goal they have targeted. They believe that whatever come, we can achieve the target. Most of the 90% people are living a very routine life without any goal, without any target. Just think about a ship, the ship which is going to sail in the sea. The ship hasn't started, but there is no captain, there are no passengers, and there is no marked destination. But it has been sent to sail in the sea. What will happen to this sea? I believe after a while, the ship, after roaming in the sea for a while, the ship will face thunderstorms, face storms, turbulence, and one fine day, the ship will be wrecked and it will sink into the sea. And so is the life of those 90% people who are aimless, who don't have any targets, no destination marked. And you all know that one fine day we all have to go from this planet. Do we all want to live or die the life of that ship? Roaming here and there in this life of sea and then dying without achieving the targets, without reaching to a destination. So my dear friends, my request to you, and the number 1 step in this goal setting, in this money ladder, is to create a worthy goal in your life. Create a worthy goal. And you need not think about, you need not limit yourself what that goal can be. It can be anything. Dream as big as possible. Don't limit yourself to a certain extent, thinking that you can attain it, you can achieve it. You can't go that level, but you can achieve this level. No, this is again a belief. Whatever you are thinking about yourself, reflect the future. Whatever you're thinking in present about yourself, reflect your future. So if you are thinking that you are not worthy to attain that goal, yes, you won't be ready to achieve it. You won't be capable to achieve it. First, I want you to believe that you can. You can achieve whatever you want. You can have whatever you want. You can experience whatever you want to experience in life. It is all in your capacity, but you need to believe in it. So my dear friends, the first step of this money ladder is to create a worthy goal. The goal which satisfies you, the goal which gives you happiness, joy. It is not only about the number of money you can have, it is about the things related with the number of money, the sum of money, the amount of money you want to have in your life. And second step in this money ladder is to believe in your goal, to believe that you are worthy of everything. Let me ask you another question. For the couple of last years, I have learned a lot of things, a lot of programmings, a lot of techniques, tools, mantras, hacks. And do you think if I share all these things, all these growth patterns with you, you will be able to reach to your goal? Do you think that if you get everything, every resource is with you, every hack I share with you, do you think you can attain your goal? No, you won't attain your goal. You won't hit the target until you believe in that. Most of the times we have everything, we have all the resources, we are putting up all the hard work. Even after putting lots of methodologies, strategies, hard work, we are not able to get that goal. Why? Because your subconscious never allowed you to believe in that. Your subconscious always told you that you are not worthy of that goal, that you can't achieve that because you have a failure in the past, so you will be a failure in the future. Your subconscious is always telling you these things. You may be consciously aware of it or not, but it is the mind game which has been playing in your head all the time. So there comes the need of mind programming, subconscious reprogramming, because the awareness from the childhood, the atmosphere, your peers, family, friends have all created a set of beliefs with you. These beliefs keep on moving with you all throughout this life, and they never allow you to reach to your high potential. So dear friends, my second step is to believe in your goals. No matter what comes, you need to believe in your goals. And now you have set your target, now you have started believing in your goals. You have a certain path. You know that this path is leading to your goal. Now what will happen? There may be challenges which you may not handle, which will give you setbacks, and you will again come back to point zero, thinking, again repeating to yourself that, look, I told you I can't reach to that goal. So here comes my number 3. My number 3 point here in this money ladder is to keep on evolving. Keep on meditating, keep on learning, be with your gurus, be with your coaches, learn, evolve, read. Invest in yourself. Invest in seminars, workshops, learn from worldwide successful people. Be with successful people, listen to them as much as you can so that you can be grounded, you can have the capacity to take the challenges in a neutral way, and then you can again take a step forward towards your goal, so that you don't get hit by the turbulence and sink in the sea. You need to evolve. I have been reading a lot of books. Lately I have been reading this book, Biology of Belief. This is a very beautiful book written by Dr. Bruce Lipton and easily available in the market. This book is about how beliefs create a good health or bad health. How beliefs impact each cell of our body, each membrane, each tissue, each muscle is affected by our beliefs, the beliefs which we are carrying in our head. I just suggest you to buy this book, The Biology of Belief, and there are other hundreds of books available in the market which talk about the belief system, how important the role is being played by this belief system. So friends, coming to my fourth point, it's another very beautiful point which I have been using for last few years, and it has given me tremendous result. It is to create a goal card. This is the goal card I have been using for last few years, and this is my latest goal card which I will share with you. What is a goal card? A goal card is a simple piece of paper or any card in which you put a statement of your goal. This statement must be, again I will suggest, this statement should reflect your belief system, and you need to believe what you are writing. For example, I'll share with you my goal card and you can customize it. This is my money goal card. You can create any cards for health, for relationships, for love, for success, for career, for money. So let me share my card with you and you can customize it accordingly and fill in the blank for this amount you want to have in your next couple of years or quarter or month. Here it is. I am consistently earning dash per month while living a joyous, easy and fun-filled life and helping other millions of people live a spiritual and happy life. So if you observe this thing, I'm not just putting a figure in this goal card. I'm associating many other things related with money. Why I need this money and how I want to use this money in my life. What will you do with this money? You need to have reasons. You need to attach why. Here comes my fourth point, friends. Attach as many reasons to your goal as you can, because the reasons will give your subconscious a very hard kick, and your subconscious will open many doors, many opportunities, many possible ways for you. Your mind needs to have some reasons to move forward. If you want to have 50 lakhs per month, you need to know why. Why do you want to have 50 lakhs? What will you do with this 50 lakh? If you ask me, I will categorize the amount in a certain way. For example, from 50 lakh, I'll give 20% to charity. I'll give 10% to my lifestyle. I'll give 10% to my learnings, exposure, investing in myself. I'll use another 20% in properties, investment or in my business, and rest of the amount I'll use for my beautiful home, for my family, for others. You can categorize the money you want to have in your life and attach reasons. Why do you want to have money? Will you get happiness? If yes, how? What do you want to buy? Write as many things as possible. Fill as many pages as possible. Write down. Please write down. It is very magical step in this 5-step money ladder. This step is such a powerful thing that I have created a whole 21-day program, 21-day money program, and people who are associated with this program, who have enrolled, they have got miraculous results. They have manifested things in a much faster way which they wouldn't have even dreamt of having in their routine life. So please do this 5th step in a very relaxed mood and in a leisure way. Now the last point, dear friends, is to take action. Take inspired action, not irregular action. Program yourself, invest in the reprogramming, and take massive inspired actions. And you see, very soon you will see yourself on the top of this money ladder. So these were my 5 mantras for you to attain a big amount of money, to manifest things in an easier way. Hope you like this video. and please keep on subscribing, sharing with your friends and family, and help others. Thank you for watching this video.